Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. We are in Dumbo, Brooklyn. A quaint little neighborhood in New York City. And here's my bike. My sweet little bike. We're gonna plop the phone into the quad lock. Everything is zipped up. Long day. I'm actually breaking out from work a little early. It's only 4:30 or so. It's supposed to be there till 5, but I got a busy day tomorrow, so I earned it to fuck off a little earlier today. It's not bad. Alright, so let's ride back home. Right, vlog. Welcome to a vlog. Blah, blah, blah. I got so much shit to do. I have these two major tasks that I have to accomplish. One of them is at 90%, and the other one is at I thought it was at 100%, but now it feels like it's at 10%. I feel like I gotta start over. But once I figure out what to do, it's gonna be fine. My dials, sweet dials, still off. It's okay. All right, we're good. Everything is plugged in. Everything is solid. Kickstand up. Mirror is set. Let's go for a flight. My bike, those little backfires once in a while. What the fuck is going on here, bro? What am I? Whoa, watch out. Pop. Freaking tourist freak show. Alright, kids, come on. You boys and girls could fucking move it. Come on, boys and girls. Come on, boys and girls. Come on, boys and girls. There we go. Man, I love this bike. Still a big fan. Still a huge motherfucking fan. What do I got here? I never come this way to check out the food options. You know what I mean? Look at that traffic back there. There's like 8 million people back there. Motorcycles, man. Motorcycles are the best. So I don't freaking know what to tell you. Just a quick little blast. And after this, I'm gonna go home, chill for an hour, and then I'm actually getting dinner with my sister. So that should be pretty cool. 6 o'clock. Some kids over there smoking legal weeds. That's always fun. Yeah, so 6 o'clock dinner with my sister. I think we're gonna go get poke. I think it's gonna be a poke kind of day. You know what I mean? Here we go. And this car is in my way, son of a bitch. go. That was a serious move, because you know what's happening here, boys and girls. Maybe, kinda. There we go. There we go. Ooh, Waze had an update. We got like a cute little they got a cute little exit signs now. It's adorable. I embrace that. So yeah, with any luck, my knee is better. I am so happy. I'm like fucking keeping it quiet, keeping it simple, but my knee is indeed feeling a little bit better, and I am indeed excited about it. So, you know what I mean? Last week I was like I could barely ride, and now I'm doing alright again. Let's not, like they said in Pulp Fiction one time, let's not start sucking each other's dicks quite yet. You know what I mean? That's one of my favorite sayings, because it's so offensive, but also so fun at the same time. Whoa. This person is I do like how Mini Coopers have those British flags as turn signals. It's completely adorable. It's completely adorable. And here's my exit. Exit 32. That's cute though. I do like the little green thing. Do. I love bikes. I love motorcycles. There we go. There we go. Spicy, to say the bare minimum. I mean, whatever. Who gives a shit? What else can I possibly tell you that I haven't told you? What can I possibly tell you right now that I've never said before in any of my vlogs? Oh, I know what it is. I love you. I've never told anybody I love you in my life, and this is the first time. I feel not exposed, but vulnerable, right? I feel vulnerable. I feel vulnerable. Now everybody knows. All right. Two little scooter. Are those rentals? I feel like those are rentals. I should look into those. Go ahead, bro. Everybody and their mama. I don't know what's going on, but folks is looking for parking. That's a cute little car. I can fuck with that. Come on, Track Hawk. Oh no, Trail Hawk. Got all excited to have a powerful Jeep in front of me, but instead it's just a little princess Jeep. Anyway, good times. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye now.